If your phone stops working out there, what's your backup plan? Today we're breaking down how satellite phones work, how to use one, and why they might be the most important tool in your pack when you're off the grid. Whether you're hiking, sailing, or working in remote areas, this is your guide to staying connected when it matters most. Let's start with the basics. A satellite phone connects to satellites orbiting the Earth instead of relying on cell towers. That means it works in places where your smartphone won't, like deep wilderness, open ocean, or disaster zones. There are two main types of satellite networks: LEO, or low Earth orbit, and GEO, or geostationary orbit. LEO satellites are closer to Earth, so they offer faster connections and less delay. GEO satellites stay fixed over one spot, which gives them wide coverage but can cause a slight lag in voice calls. Now, not all satellite phones are created equal. The provider you choose matters. Iridium offers global coverage, including the poles. It uses an LEO network and is known for reliability in extreme conditions. And Marsat uses GEO satellites and covers most of the globe, except the polar regions. Globalstar is more affordable but has limited coverage, mostly in North America and parts of Europe. Always check the coverage map before you commit. Using a satellite phone is simple, but it's not quite like your smartphone. Step 1: power it on in an open area with a clear view of the sky. Step 2: wait for it to connect to a satellite. Step 3: dial the full international number, including the country code. Step 4: press call and wait for the connection. Some models let you send text messages or use GPS and SOS features. Just remember, no signal means no trees, no buildings, no canyons. You need the sky. Let's talk about the trade-offs, the pros and cons. First, the pros. They work where cell phones don't. They're reliable in emergencies, and some models include GPS tracking and weather alerts. The cons: they're expensive, both the device and the service plans. Voice calls can have a delay, especially on GEO networks. Internet access is slow and very costly. You need a clear view of the sky to connect. So they're not for everyday use, but they're perfect for the right situations. Satellite phones make sense when you're hiking in remote backcountry, sailing offshore, working in isolated field locations, preparing for natural disasters, and living off grid. If you're only going off grid for a short time, renting a satellite phone might be a smarter move than buying one. Here's how to pick the right one. Match the provider to your location. Look for features like long battery life, SOS, and GPS. Consider ruggedness and ease of use. And if you're not going to use it often, check out rental options. Satellite phones aren't flashy, but when you're out of range and something goes wrong, they're the tool you'll be glad you brought. Want more real-world tech tips like this? Head over to askkp.com. We've got step-by-step guides, gear breakdowns, and practical advice for staying connected, safe, and prepared wherever you are. Don't wait for a signal. Be ready before you lose it.